In this video, I'm going to show you how to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, our goal is to input text inside a specific cell, then automatically spread or distribute those texts in different columns. So to do that, let's say the scenario is we're going to create a spreadsheet to monitor transactions in a certain shop. So to do that, we need the information such as name. Also, don't forget to select a separator so that when we set the separator, the system can know that after that specific word, a new column is needed for the next word upcoming. So for this video, we'll be using spaces as the separator. So we input name, space, date, space, time, space, amount, space, and method. So after accomplishing this task, this words in here or this information should be distributed in column A, column B, column C, column D, and column E. So let's see how we would accomplish this task. After inputting the text in here, simply select the cell and navigate to data. And in data, go to split text to columns. In here, this will ask you to select a separator. Simply select space as this is the one that we used. And as you can see, name, date, time, amount, and method are now separated or split into different columns or horizontally. And that's about it. That's how to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.